So welcome back to the Leathercraft Masterclass in part 4 of our Havilland Travel Bag build. We get to do the fun bit of following the edge of our piping. At this point we don't have to worry about the guidelines we originally drew. It's nice and smooth. As I'm stitching in, I don't have seams coming apart, but you can get around it and have a neater looking stitch with less interruptions. We're using a small awl blade and flip. Using my hand as leverage to scoop and pull through. This is our reinforcement or interlining, so that the leather will naturally want to bend at that point. Do the same hole back through to the other side and then stitching with angles on both sides, and that's going to make a nice strong strap.